In this video, I'm going to show you how to find the frame rate and sample rate of a movie. Set your DAW's frame rate and sample rate to match the movie, import the movie and its audio track, and set SMPTE start times, SMPTE offsets, and other settings. To show the frame rate and sample rate of a movie, on a Mac, double-click on the movie, which will open QuickTime. On Windows, you can use something like VLC. In QuickTime, I'll go to the Windows menu and choose Show Movie Inspector. You'll see audio format, 48 kilohertz, and the encoded frames per second is 23.98. Make a note of this. I want to show the secondary time display and make sure that it displays timecode. So down in the transport, this is the primary time display. And if you click these three dots, you'll get the secondary time display. Then I make sure it's on timecode. Next, I'm going to import the movie. So File, Import, Video File, double click, say OK. There's the video file, and below that is the extracted audio file. Next, I'm going to double click to get the video player. Now I'm going to go to Project, Project Setup, and the first thing I want to do is get the frame rate from the video. So I click on this. Notice it gives me 23.98 frames per second. Then I want to set the project start time to 1 hour. In this case, it's already set to 1 hour, so I don't need to change it. I've got the sample rate set at 48K, and I'm going to hit OK. So at this point, I'm going to hit play and just make sure that the printed timecode and the timecode that Cubase is displaying matches up. And it does. And now I'm going to give myself a little pre-roll. Go to Project, Project Setup, same window, but this time Display Bar Offset. I'm going to add some measures. And Cubase is going to ask me if I want to keep the project content at its bar position. I'm going to say yes. So the video again starts at bar 1, but I have some pre-roll. I'm going to move the playhead to bar 1, and let's watch the timecode. So notice it's all correct except for the seconds are off. All right, so I'm going to go back and set the playhead at bar 1. This time I'm going to go to Project, set timecode at cursor, and put in the correct timecode of 1 hour. Click OK. It's going to ask me again if I want to keep the project content at its timecode position. This time I'm going to say no. Okay, so I have some pre-roll. Got my video, and now all the time codes are going to match up.